Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit open ring snap poppers with a hand tool set. So here I've got some cork fabric, I have some 9.5mm snap poppers, and I have my hand tool set. So your hand tool set is going to come in two different parts. So your first part is going to be your anvil here, and you should be able to see there's a groove in the middle of that for your snap popper to sit. Your fixing tool here also has a groove in there and a hole in the top. That's for your male and female part to sit in. So this is how we're going to use it. We're going to take an open ring. So this is the part with the spikes. And that is going to sit on the anvil at the bottom with the spikes pointing up. I'm going to flip my material around because I want this to be the front side with the open ring. And I'm just going to very lightly push down, and I can start seeing a little bit of an indentation for them spikes. I can take I'm going to do the female part, which is going to look like this. This is where the spikes are going to go into. So we'll place that on top. Try to be very gentle and delicate with this. I can take my tool and place that on top of the female part, and we'll hammer that through. Okay. So there's your open ring on the back and your female part. We'll do the same again. So we'll take another open ring with the spikes here, place the material over, give it a little light press down. I can feel them sharp spikes now if I brush my finger over the top. Now I can take my male part, which looks like that. The spikes, again, they're going to go into the back of this, so they're going to go into this end. And we're going to just place that on top, just like so. I'm going to take my tool again, and that's going to sit on top of the male end, and we'll hammer that into place. So there's your male side done with the open ring on the back. We'll snap it together just like that. You can see that's holding in place your open rings on both sides.